What are the details of Barack Obama's straightforward response? The ape video scandal involved a controversial clip that many found offensive and racially insensitive. It quickly gained attention on social media and news outlets, demanding a response from influential leaders. Barack Obama, known for his calm and principled communication style, was expected to address the issue thoughtfully. Barack Obama responded straightforwardly by condemning the video's content without hesitation. He highlighted the importance of respecting all individuals regardless of background. His message was clear. Such disrespectful portrayals are unacceptable and only deepen divisions. Obama's tone was calm but resolute, reinforcing his commitment to unity and dignity. Obama's direct response played a significant role in calming public outrage. By addressing the scandal head-on and emphasizing shared values, he steered the conversation toward healing rather than escalating conflict. His approach demonstrated how leadership can diffuse controversies with honesty and respect. This incident highlights a leadership lesson. When faced with sensitive issues, straightforwardness combined with respect can transform a crisis into an opportunity for dialogue. Obama's example reminds us that clear, honest responses build trust and promote understanding, especially during challenging moments. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.